It's the producer. It's the producer.
What's going on, Gunners? Going on, YouTubers? Start of a Monday. Waiting for some stuff for Maddie's car, but I got a new build coming in right now. This is Mike's car from North Carolina, a real good buddy of mine. We sold the motor already. We're going to sell the turbo kit and everything else off of it. I finally got a good, clean canvas to do the lightweight reduction stuff. So we'll be using Mike's car. I'll show it to you in a second. And yeah, starting off a new build. I'm super excited. I'm healthy. My back is much better. If you're just wondering, like, what the fuck's that mean? Yeah, I had some shit wrong with my back. It was fucked up. I really couldn't work, but now I'm eager to work. Got a lot of material here to work on. So this will be the car that we start lightweighting and showing you how to cut a Honda Civic up in Lexan and all that. Shout out to YNS Lexan, one of my sponsors. They already sent me a set of windows for this car. ESM is going to send some suspension stuff. And hopefully K-Tune can jump on board. I'd like to take these, I think they're block drags. I'd like to take those out, but whatever. Vicky's here. And yeah, this is just another build. Check it out. So yeah, this is Mike's car. I believe it's like a 95 SI. It's painted blue. It was originally red. Carbon front. You know, fully built motor. What is it? Sleeved pistons, rods, endine head. The actual long block is sold. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, I think you should. We're going to start raffling off a bunch of other stuff on there. The turbo kit, the trans. It's got a twin disc Tilton, the Pro Series manifold, fuel system. A whole bunch of stuff, but that's neither here or there. But yeah, this is the beginning of my new canvas. I'm going to make this car 2420. Probably make it on nitrous, a dry shot. Maybe like a $150, 200. And should be a 9-second car on the bottler. Nice and easy. Super simple. So you'll start seeing me tear this B series out and going from there. Should be fairly easy. It's got 5.9s on it too. Can I keep those? No, I can't. So gonna have to get rid of the 5.9s. But yeah, enjoy the build, man. Yeah, we're just taking off the turbo kit and basically the harness. It's got a pretty weird ass wire tuck, so we're working on that. But we'll leave this motor basically just enough for us to get into, to put it onto the lift and then drop the motor. The long block is actually sold already to a buddy of his, so we'll sell the rest, put the money towards the K project, and should drop this motor once it goes on the lift in 10 minutes. So we'll leave it just enough to where basically the motor mounts are holding it. But like I said, there's like a weird wire tuck on here. So I'm going to put this car back to basically factory and then just get it ready to go K-Series. So same deal. Rivet that mount off. Get a mount kit for him. And yeah, that's it. We'll get the ball rolling here. Rip out the interior. That's the thing. I think that's what I'm going to end up doing next. I think that's what I'm going to end up doing first. Is so taking out the motor, getting rid of whatever it is, and then not even worrying about going K. Just start doing the lightweight reduction inside, getting a glass guy to come remove the windows and take out this entire interior. So at the end there'll just be one Kirkley seat inside for Mike, and he's gonna have a blast. He's owned this car for like 10 years. It's got sentimental value, so we're not getting rid of it. He's going to enjoy it. This will be a nice little street car for him to have fun. Maybe beat up on some cars in North Carolina, but yeah. Back to work. Oh, what do you got here? We can keep the long block and the transmission together until we drop the motor. But, so we've got all our vacuums off. You can strip the actual whole long block off the transmission and take off both manifolds. When the motor's out, we're going to have to find some spindles because we have to sell these 5.9s. We could sell the motor mounts. trans, the clutch. Boom. I'd like to switch that rack into a manual one. Do that. Yeah.
What injectors is he?
I think 2200s. Car's ready to go, like, you know, low nines. You know, like a 90 car, but Mike just has so much going on down in North Carolina. Doesn't make sense for him to own this kind of car that, you know?
Well, you can drive around a 9-second car, nigga.
Hey, good. Not Mike.
Blow that shit up.
Fucking wire tuck and a half, I tell you that.
Uh-huh.
Woo, buddy, woo Nelly. Shining shit, Aki. There you go again, taking on fucking jobs. Shining shit. Should've fucking stayed home and watched porn. But no, you want to build another cake. Fucking why not? Plug kit goes there. You know what, honestly, that's it. This car needs to just go on a lift. It's probably easier to take the... We could take off the turbo kit now, but then we'd have that leak. Yeah, I think we're done.
Put the pan under it.
Nah, we're done. Because we'd have to drop the oil. Could put the pan on it and then... But it's just I just hate working ass backwards.
Damn thing.
Jesus Christ. Could take off the turbo.
Yeah, intercooler.
Intercooler? It's just one Vangean. Take it off in a second. It's right here. Unclip it. It's got the safety pin. Unclip it. Take that guy off. Intercooler out. It's very nice.
That's it? That's 900 horsepower? A holder?
1,000 horsepower, man. 1,000 centrifugals, man. Sit, Papa. Sit, Papa.
I said, yeah.
Look at this. Look at this. Look at this gem right here. Mike was gonna go race. This was at the bottom of the pipe. He would have been wondering, how is this boost leaking? Remember, it was like this.
Yeah.
He would have never known that there's a vacuum leak right there. See that, ladies and gentlemen? You gotta stay woke. You gotta stay woke. Keep what?
Keep gunning.
A little bit louder.
Keep gunning.